the Earth, of the core to the crust. Um, uh, the point of view is the Earth cut in half, basically, and then you're looking into it. You can kind of see that the edges are bulging a little bit because of this rotation of the Earth. So I added that into there. The limitations of my model, it doesn't show it like in space or where the equator is or anything, but I think it still gives a good idea, and it doesn't show like the moon or anything. Yeah. The point of view is looking into the core. Probably like from space, I would say. I don't know. Probably from space. Well, it would have to be from space. From space, you are looking into the center of the Earth. The Earth looks like my model because it's just the inside of my Earth. It shows all the details, like the bulging, and the, like, not exactly the diameter or anything, but it still kind of like shows the good idea. The experience that led me to this is when you watch the video. It showed a good diagram of people standing on the Earth to show the Earth was round, and they weigh the exact same thing anywhere on the Earth, so it's the same gravitational pull, but they just weigh a little more on the equator. So that's kind of what I did. I was gonna add people, but then I didn't because it wouldn't really make sense. I would describe this model, well, it's kind of like, it really shows the Earth. I described it earlier as the inside of the Earth, and it's basically like that. So, we might use models in science to show what we're thinking and like draw them to, if people don't understand, then they can see a picture and they're like, oh. We could also use them by like making ideas too, having ideas, drawing stuff for new ideas. That would work. Some examples of models include, like this one, a picture like on a website that describes what it's talking about. If you're making like a let's say like it's almost like a prototype. If you have like trying to make a marble course or something, and you can like make a ramp out of some things, and that would be a model. You could like, back to the question, there was like, where you could use this in science. We could use for like presenting. So just presenting ideas, that would work. So yeah.